MT-VIKI HDMI LCD KVM-Switch 16-port review. Real results for busy server rooms. Ever found yourself wheeling a clunky crash cart between server racks at midnight during an outage? Last month, I watched a technician trip over tangled cables, rushing to troubleshoot a down server. Monitors crashing, keyboards flying, chaos everywhere. If managing multiple machines feels like juggling disasters, you're definitely not alone here. Drop a comment if that scene sounds painfully familiar. That knot in your stomach tightens every time something crashes and you're scrambling between machines. The pressure builds while you're hunting for the right keyboard, the right monitor, the right cable. Cheap KVM switches failed. Separate consoles created more clutter. There has to be a calmer, more organized way to control everything without adding complexity to an already stressful environment. Then, everything changed when I found the MT-VIKI MT-17316HL HDMI LCD KVM-Switch 16-port. Don't just pick any rack KVM console. Make sure it has an integrated 17.3-inch 1080p display so you never suffer squinting at fuzzy VGA text during critical troubleshooting again. Here's what surprised me. This entire console slides into a single 1U rack slot. The full HD screen delivers crystal clear visuals from every connected server. The built-in keyboard and touchpad eliminate external peripheral clutter completely. OSD switching lets you jump between all 16 machines instantly using hotkeys or menu navigation. AutoScan monitors everything passively, without manual intervention. Picture this: a sysadmin working late, racing against a deadline when 3 servers need immediate attention. Instead of panicking with tangled cables, they slide out the drawer, tap a hotkey, and access each machine within seconds. Calm, controlled, resolved. Let me be honest, the touchpad takes adjustment if you're used to external mice, but for quick server tasks, it handles everything smoothly. Does consolidated control sound like genuine relief to you? The long-term transformation feels remarkable. Daily server management becomes streamlined instead of chaotic. Walking into your server room feels controlled rather than overwhelming. Emergency troubleshooting shifts from frantic scrambling to calm, methodical problem-solving that actually works efficiently. IT infrastructure analysts note the MT-17316HL delivers exceptional value compared to enterprise-tier alternatives costing 3 to 4 times more. Tech influencers running home labs praise the 17.3-inch screen as noticeably larger than competing units, making extended sessions far more comfortable. One data center technician reported 6 months of flawless operation across 3 deployed units, managing 48 servers total. 0 failures, 0 complaints. System administrators consistently highlight the included 16 KVM cables as significant cost savers, eliminating separate cable purchases entirely. Wondering about the learning curve? Setup genuinely takes under an hour. The OSD interface feels intuitive, even for first-time KVM users. Concerned about build quality at this price point? The steel chassis and smooth drawer mechanism hold up impressively under continuous professional use. One honest limitation: the default 1.5-meter cable length may require extensions for deeper rack configurations, worth planning before deployment. Imagine walking into your server room next year, everything organized, every machine accessible instantly. That future feels achievable now. Ready to see what makes this work? Imagine replacing crash carts, tangled cables, and scattered peripherals with one elegant 1U console controlling 16 servers effortlessly. Thousands of IT professionals, data center technicians, and home lab enthusiasts already manage their infrastructure this way with the MT-VIKI MT-17316HL HDMI LCD KVM-Switch 16-port. Cleaner racks,
faster troubleshooting, complete control from one station. The affiliate link sits in the description and pinned comment below. Full disclosure included there. Take a moment to explore whether this fits your setup. Your server room deserves equipment that simplifies everything.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.